In this support video, we will be installing the glass cooktop for the below models. Always best to disconnect your unit before you begin. Access the back of your range and remove the screws holding the back panel. Remove the top decorative grille. Remove the back panel. By standing in front of the range, pull the glass cooktop towards you and pull upwards to remove. Disconnect and remove the back hose. With your new glass cooktop, place in position and reconnect the back hose. The cooktop fastens around the bracket. Carefully place back the cooktop and snap back into the frame bracket. Place back the back panel. Place back the top decorative grille. Screw back the back panel. This completes the installation.